AI, ML versus DL, explained simply. Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that confuses a lot of people. Even professionals in the tech world sometimes mix them up. What exactly is the difference between artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning? They're all connected, but not the same. By the end of this video, you'll be able to clearly explain the difference to anyone and understand how they affect your life every single day. What is AI? Let's start at the top. Artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is the broadest term of the three. It refers to any computer system that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. That could mean solving problems, understanding speech, recognizing images, playing games, or even making decisions. AI isn't one specific thing, it's a field. It includes everything from simple rule-based systems, like a thermostat that learns your habits, to complex robots that navigate space missions. Some real-world examples of AI you've probably seen: Siri or Alexa understanding your voice commands, Google Maps suggesting the fastest route, self-driving cars that process real-time data to make decisions on the road. So, AI is the goal, making machines smart like humans. But how do we actually get there? What is machine learning? Enter machine learning, or ML. Machine learning is a subset of AI. Instead of being explicitly programmed with every instruction, ML systems learn from data. Imagine teaching a kid to recognize a dog. You show them pictures and say, "This is a dog." Eventually, they get the idea. That's basically how ML works. We feed it data, like thousands of photos labeled dog or not dog, and it finds patterns. Then it uses those patterns to make predictions or decisions without human guidance. Some everyday uses of machine learning: Netflix recommending shows based on what you've watched, credit card companies detecting fraud by spotting unusual spending patterns, your email moving spam to the junk folder. ML is the method we use to build smart systems, but it still needs a lot of help from humans. That brings us to our next level. What is deep learning? Now we go even deeper with deep learning, or DL. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that uses what's called neural networks, systems designed to mimic the way the human brain processes information. What makes it deep is the multiple layers in these networks. The more layers, the more complex the patterns it can understand. Deep learning doesn't just recognize that a picture is a dog, it can figure out what breed it is, even if it's partially obscured or in poor lighting. Why? Because it learns features automatically from the raw data. Deep learning powers things like facial recognition on your phone, self-driving cars detecting people and obstacles, real-time translation apps, ChatGPT and voice assistants that understand and generate natural language. It's the cutting edge of AI today. What powers most of the jaw-dropping tech you see? Putting it all together, let's recap everything with a simple visual in your mind. Picture a set of Russian nesting dolls. The largest outer doll is AI, the big idea of machines mimicking human intelligence. Inside that is machine learning, the approach where we let machines learn from data. Inside that is deep learning, the most powerful, data-hungry, and advanced technique we use today. So it's like this. AI is the concept, ML is how we train it. DL is the most advanced training method we have. Each layer is more specialized, and together, they're changing industries, from healthcare and finance to education, transportation, and entertainment. Now you've got it. AI is the future, but it's already here, quietly working behind the scenes in your daily life. If you learned something new today, hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what AI tool you've used recently, maybe without even realizing it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.